still checking out my new microscope, so I'm learning a little bit about how this thing works. But I wanted to show you guys the look at that, the coloration in this particular quartz. There's quite a few places. I'll try to do it this way. Quite a few places where you get some nice coloration with this particular stone. I'm seeing it on multiple ones, which is really neat to look at and kind of dig in deeper and see. Isn't that beautiful? I mean, that's incredible. See that coloration right there? It's pretty interesting. So just studying and looking, and obviously spending time looking these rocks over. There's a good bit of coloration in that top corner there. You see, and a lot of green in this particular one. Rainbow colors too. Pretty nice. And this one has a lot more smoky coloration to it. And some really nice crystal formation. Just being able to look at that and zoom in and you know, really see how that rock is forming. There's some more of that coloration. It's a really neat tool. I have to admit, I was skeptical in purchasing it, and now I'm like, this is crazy cool. Look at that coloration there. That particular rock, I mean, it's a pretty rock. Well, my color is weird in this room right now with all these. I've got screens going, messing with my light, I guess. I don't know. Just look at that. Some more of that rainbow coloration. Either the light refracting in it because it's crystal, of course, or it's just some opalescence that may be coming through also because it's quartz. Just really, really nice. Look at that edge. Anyway, it's an awesome tool, and I hope to get to do some pretty cool things with it. But that's a pretty rock. Great color. just thought I'd share. If you're interested in what type I purchased, I just searched it on Amazon, and you'll find all kinds of deals there, and you'll find varying types and prices, and I'm sure they're all fairly much the same, so not too great. I will say, I think I said it before, this is a 10-inch screen, and I'm glad I got the 10-inch screen. It was like 10-inch to maybe an 8 or 8 and 7-inch, and then down to like a 4.5. And I'm glad I got the 10-inch. It is really nice big screen. And yes, it was probably about $20 more between the price breaks, but because I